Okay, this will wrap up graphing lines and just some notes on slopes. Positive slopes go up, moving from left to right. So they will look like this. And remember, a positive slope is like 3. And we write it as 3 over 1. So we can distinguish the change in y's and the change in x. Negative slopes, they go down, moving from left to right. So this is what a negative slope looks like. And that would be like a negative 3 over 1. This would be our positive 3 over 1. Parallel lines have the same slope and will never intersect. So if we had a x and a y-axis, parallel lines go something like that, where this distance is always the same, so they would never intersect. Lines that have negative inverses of each other for slopes are perpendicular, meaning they will intersect at 90 degrees or right angles. Lines that have different slopes will only intersect at one point. No straight lines intersect at more than one point. The only exception is parallel lines, which never intersect. So with that, there's some notes you can hopefully glean something from. And you have test 2 coming up, so good luck.